Hello.
So. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Finn. What's your name?
Anne. Mommy.
Good.
How was your day?
Good.
Good.
Uh-huh.
What did you do today?
Nothing?
Did you go to work?
No.
Did you go to the zoo?
Nope.
Did you go to school?
Nope.
Yes, you did.
Hi.
Hi, friend.
Hi.
Hi, Mommy. So, are you going to dress up for Halloween?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
What do you think Sophia should be for Halloween?
Oh, Minnie
What
Mouse.
should we get Sophia for her birthday?
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? Okay, what about whose birthday is this weekend?
Aussie's.
No.
Mommy's.
No.
Daddy's.
Yeah. And who else?
Mama.
Sophia's.
And Sophia.
How old is Sophia going to be? Stop.
2.
2?
2.
No, 1.
No, 2.
What, should we get her some presents or no?
Just have some already.
Oh, she already got some?
Yes. Hey, Dad.
What?
We got